Howdy. Right, I'm going to pour, I need to pour the finishing layer of that. I'm going to finish this, and I might pour some of the bits while we're at it. So let's get the gloves on. I'm going to make up a 200 mil, maybe 220 mil. Yeah, 220 mils. Let's see where that takes us. Okay, so I've got epoxy resin part A, hardener part B, and it's in a 1:1 ratio, 40 minutes of work time. It says self-leveling, but so we want about 110. That's perfect. And then 110 of this, so up to 220. See how much thicker it is. So if you've got like the silky threads going through it, means it's not completely mixed yet. In there, plug it in, have it on for 8 to 10 minutes to remove the bubbles from my resin. I'm going to put a timer on. I'm going to say 10 minutes because it's a big batch, but I'll be watching it. So, okay. Plenty. Right. Oh shit, I'm spilling it. Whoops. Well, I'm going to mix the stars up quickly from the bottom, get them agitated. Now we're going to add a drop of glue in each one. Just the one drop. Oh. There we go. Becoming like jelly. Oof, yeah. And then this one. So I'm going to pour one of these in this hole here. Oh, so thick. Now I'm going to sit the dragon inside the little bubba. Gonna push it in. I don't know if it's going to even fit in now. Oh, and we're going to go in with some more around him. Going to need more. More do I need? About the same amount, isn't it? Again, we'll go in with this. I'm not going to put more stars in, I'm just going to put glue in and let it mix around. Wait on that one. Okay. And then in there. Ugh. Look at all them bubbles, oh my god, no. Shouldn't have whisked it like that. I'm almost there, look. I'm so close. Can I just pour in a little bit of clear? I should think so. Okay. Let's just pour in a little bit more clear. Okay. That's perfect, isn't it? Now let's give it a little squirt of alcohol. I'm running out of alcohol. Wow, look at that. And this one is the dragon egg. I'm very excited by this. I think I should have put it up the other way so that it could stand up, if that makes sense, but never mind. I will make another one because they are cool and you can do all sorts with them. How the hell do I get this off? Oh my god, that's really tight. Glad I don't have my nails done already because I was going to do them first, but I'm doing this first, so I'm glad of that because my nails would not want this. Oh my god, it's a baby. It's a baby dragon in an egg. Nano, nano. It's upside down, but never mind. It didn't seal together perfectly, which is a shame. I think I should have done it with resin. And you can see a line because there was some bubbles where I've done 2 different layers. There's quite a lot of bubbles in this as well. But I will get it better next time, I think. It was a practice run. Do you like my little dinosaur egg? Hang on, you can't really see it, can you? How cool is that? I'll definitely make better ones of that though. I'll put that there as my first attempt. Each time I make something, I'm getting better at each time like I try it, which is, of course, you know, practice makes perfect, doesn't it?